In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a passport size photo in Canva. This is a super handy skill to have, especially when you need to create a passport photo quickly and don't want to make a trip to the Photoshop. And the best part, it only takes a few minutes in Canva, which is a free, user-friendly design tool you can access right from your browser. First, let's head over to Canva's homepage. If you don't already have an account, you'll need to sign up, but it's quick and straightforward. Once you're logged in, you want to begin by clicking on Create a Design, located at the top right corner of the screen. This will open a drop-down menu, and from there select Custom Size. This is where you can specify the exact dimensions for your passport photo. Now in the custom size settings, you'll see two boxes labelled width and height. For a standard passport photo, you want to type in 51 for both of these. This size is in millimeters, which is what you typically need for passport photos. Once you've entered these numbers, go ahead and hit the Create New Design button to proceed. What you're seeing now is your new blank canvas set to the desired passport size. The next step is to upload the photo you want to use. Over on the left-hand menu, you'll see an option called Uploads. Click on that, and it will prompt you to upload your image from your device. Select the photo you want by clicking on the Upload button, or if you have it handy, you can drag and drop it directly into Canva. When your image is uploaded, simply drag it onto your canvas. Take a moment to adjust the positioning and make sure it fits well within the canvas. You want your face to be centered without cutting off any part of your head or shoulders. You can resize and reposition the photo by clicking and dragging the corners and edges, making sure that the image maintains its quality and resolution. Before you finalize everything, it's a good idea to review your photo. Double check that it meets all the required standards for a passport photo, such as the size, clear image quality, and appropriate background. Once you're satisfied, click the download button in the top right corner to save your finished passport photo to your computer. You can choose your preferred file type, such as JPEG or PNG, which are great for high quality prints. And there you have it, you've successfully created a passport size photo in Canva. It's as simple as that. I hope you found this tutorial useful. Don't forget to give it a try, and you'll be able to whip up passport photos at home in no time. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.